Oh boy.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I'm gonna say that the meringue has risen very nicely.
Yeah.
There is a good separation. The crust is crunchy. All right, so I guess the final factor would be for your taste test.
TalkAndTest.com. For ideas about work in a moment, I'm Guy Raz, and this is the TED Radio Hour from NPR.
Chicken salad? Salad. No, that's double salad. What's your projects today?
I'm just finishing up all of my Mother's Day orders.
Printing up 2 things today. I'm printing 3 11x14s for Star Jones because I have her disc ready. I'm gonna get that out to her and surprise her with a couple special extras. And then I'm also printing some stickers for our YouTube channel so we can put them on the back of the Jeep and let everybody know we got a YouTube channel. You should subscribe. I'll tell you right now, this is nowhere near the top of my to-do list, but it's the top of my honey to-do list. Not exactly the kind of painting I had in mind. My dad taught me a lot of things growing up, and it's one of the things I gotta say. Thank you, Dad. Having printing capabilities in-house, but I gotta be honest with you, the only way it makes sense to have printing of this size in-house is if you're printing a lot of stuff, because keeping the inks from drying up in the wells, if you're not running prints through it, preferably every day, if not every week, the heads get clogged, the ink dries up, and it becomes a hassle, and it becomes very expensive. That's pretty.
So what do you think? Much better the second time around?
That's fluffy.
Told you I was gonna figure this out.
You fluffed it. Fluffed-a-roo. So another thing I've been meaning to do, get the back corrected on this because I repainted it and it was upside down. Now, just rice it up. I can get it hung in the house or in the art gallery. This is a very painful operation. Hold it.
Well, I was embarrassed.
You should have been.
I should have
That was
been.
a disastrous pie.
It was a complete disaster.
I can't believe how fluffy that is. Happy birthday, dear Dan.
Happy birthday to you.
It's definitely a better rendition of the first pie. I think that the meringue is much higher. It feels a little warm on the bottom. So
how does it taste? That's what we need to know.
let's cut through. There's lots of separation here. This is way better than the first disaster.
Yes. Congratulations on your pie. And I'm gonna be get some of the meringue in there.
Well,
Oh boy. That's really something. On the next episode of Artist at Work.
Well, I feel life's complicated.